Hi everyone, I just want to show a quick haul I did today at CVS. So what I did is I bought 7 boxes of Crest toothpaste for only $3.29 and I got my $10 in extra care bucks back. So each one of these were $2.99 and on their weekly ad you can see where it says if you buy or if you spend $10 worth of Crest Complete toothpaste, then you'll be getting back $5 in extra care bucks rewards. And there is a limit of 2 per household. So what I did is I spent $20 worth of Crest toothpaste. That way I'll be getting back in $10 in extra care bucks. Well, of course, you all know I wouldn't spend that much. So I'll be breaking down the deal for you all. So one of the first coupons I used was the $4 off 20 just for you, which expires today. My total for this has to be more than $20 or at least hit $20 in order for me to use this CVS coupon. So the total for 7 boxes of Crest toothpaste with tax is $22.54. Before tax is $20.93. The next coupon I used were 2 of the $2.25 off 3 Crest toothpaste, which have to be 3.0 ounces or larger. As you can see, this was 6.4 ounces as well as the other one, which then means that I'm able to use that coupon for this one. And since it says 3 Crest toothpaste, I bought 7, so I'm able to use one coupon for this one and the other coupon for these 3, which then leaves me 1 left. So for this one, I used the 75 cents off 1 Crest toothpaste coupon. So my total with coupons before tax is $11.68. With tax is $13.29. Now one of the things I also used was my $10 in extra care bucks. Right here it says CVS manufacturer coupon, but it was just my $10 in extra care bucks. And then since I used that, then it then brought my total down to $168. With tax is $3.29, and I got $10 in extra care bucks back. So a trick to, I guess, couponing at CVS is using your previous extra care bucks on items that will give you your extra care bucks back. The $10 in extra care bucks I used for this deal, I got from last week from a Tide deal I did, which I posted on my couponing Instagram account, which I will then link down below. So I used that extra care bucks on this one, which then brought my total down to only $3.29. And I basically got my $10 in extra care bucks rewards back. See, so just use your extra care bucks on items that will give them back to you, because that's how you'll be saving more. See? And I guess that's all. I just wanted to do a quick little haul today. So thank you everyone for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you want to be updated with any new couponing hauls or couponing videos I'll be uploading soon, then please press the subscribe button. So thank you all for watching, and may you all have a wonderful, blessed day.